it's your girl J Nicole back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how I get that bomb flexi rod set. So I've already blow dried, washed, and conditioned my hair, and I've also separated my hair into 4 big sections. I have 2 in the back and then 2 in the front just to make it a little bit more easier on myself. So for time purposes, I've already done the back of my hair, so we're going to go ahead and start on the front. So to begin, I go ahead and spritz my hair with a little bit of water. Not too much because I don't want my hair to be soaking wet. Just enough to make sure that it's damp, because it definitely cuts down on the drying time. So the next product that I go in with, I'm going to use my Camille Rose Twisting Butter just to add a little bit more moisture and shine back into my hair. And then I'm going to add a little bit of gel on top of that just to seal that moisture in and to define my curls. This helps to smooth my hair out when I'm wrapping my hair around the rod. It doesn't allow my hair to just be flying all over the place, guys. So I just go ahead and just add a little bit more to my hair. The next thing that I go in with, I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my hair, guys. Just to add a little bit of shine, promote growth, and of course to seal in that moisture that I've added to my hair. So I detangle my hair with a dimming brush. It smooths out my hair. It gets rid of all those kinks and coils that I have trapped up in those curls, y'all. I'm telling you, this brush is the truth. So to begin rodding, I go ahead and roll my hair over the rod and I secure my ends. This helps to cut down on frizz when I'm taking down the rollers and I'm separating my curls. So as you guys can see, I twist the rod to the back and then I bring it up in a parallel form. And then I continue to roll my hair up the rod. Now you really want to focus on smoothing out your hair and making sure that there's a nice little gap in between each section on the rod. This helps to form that nice Shirley Temple curl that you guys are going for, and it also helps to smooth out your hair. Once that is all complete, I just go ahead and bend the rod down and secure the curl in place. So a little closer up for you guys so you can see, I tuck my ends in, as you guys can see, just like that. I smooth it in, making sure that there's no bumps or anything like that. The smoother your hair, the better your curls will come out, guys. I guarantee it. No lie. So after I secure my ends, I go ahead and roll my hair up. And then, like I said, I twist the roller to the back and bring it up in a parallel form. And just continue to roll it on up to my head. As you guys can see, I'm really focusing on smoothing out my hair. I'm trying to make sure that I have that nice gap in between my hair. And yeah, if your guys' hair doesn't lay down as easy as mine, you know, I mean, not as easy as mine, but like mine, I just go ahead and add a little bit of more, I can't even talk, guys, blah, blah, blah. I add a little bit more gel to smooth out my hair, and then I just go ahead and bend the rod over the hair, just like that. Simple as that, guys, I swear. So the easiest part of this whole process, guys, is the takedown method. I kid you not. All you have to do is find the roller, figure out how you rolled it up, and then just roll it down the exact same way. Now look, it does get confusing because you have like 10,000 rods on top of your head. But girl, take your time and find out where it is and just roll it down from there. As you guys can see, I get confused myself on which part I rolled, but just take your time and it will be simple as pie, guys, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and speed up this video and take out all these rods, and then I'll just come back and show you guys how I look with all the rollers out of my head. I know that I am looking crazy, but this is how my hair looks with all the flexi rods taken out. Yeah, I look like a goofball. So, as always, I've started already on the back of my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I take down my curls. So I go ahead and I add oil to my hair. Again, it helps to minimize frizz if you add oil to your hair. It just helps your fingers slide down the hair more easily. So the whole process is I kind of pull out the curl and I really try to figure out where the hair wants to separate naturally. I'm telling you, this is the easiest process. Take your time with this, y'all, because it can be a little bit tedious and it takes a long time. But I take my time because I don't want a head full of frizz, you know? So, find out where the curl wants to separate naturally and just roll it down, twist it down with your fingers, just like that. I just find out where the curl wants to separate naturally and I twist it down just like that. Nothing to it, guys. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and separate the rest of my hair and then I'll come back so you guys can see the next step from there. So you guys might be done from here. If you guys want to be done from here, you can. But I'm going to go ahead and just grab my pick and pick out my roots because I love big voluminous hair. So as you guys can see, I don't take the pick all the way through my hair. I literally just pull it all the way through to the roots and I take it out. Through the roots and then I just take it out. Because if you take it all the way through your hair, you're going to ruin your curls. You're going to literally be combing out your curls and you don't want that. Okay, so take your time with the pick and just pick out your roots. The back, I pick it out. The front, the sides, the whole 10, guys. I pick. Okay, so you guys can literally see me. I flip my hair over. I give it a good shake and then I'm done. And yeah, that's it from there, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this quick video on how I do my Flexi rod set. If you guys like it, do comment, subscribe, thumbs up this video, and let me know if you guys want more hair videos. Thank you guys for tuning in, and always, I appreciate the love that you guys give me. See you guys later in my next video. Thank you, guys.